if you're looking to send money overseas, deciding between Remitly and Western Union requires understanding how each service compares in terms of cost, speed, delivery methods, and global reach. Remitly is built for digital-first remittances, allowing you to send money from your phone or computer and choose how your recipient will receive the funds. Its main advantages are typically lower fees and better exchange rates in many corridors, especially for bank deposits, along with a smooth online experience. Many users appreciate that Remitly shows up front how much the recipient will receive, making it easy to compare costs. The service offers two main options: Express for faster delivery at a premium, and Economy for slower, lower-cost transfers. For users who are comfortable with digital banking, Remitly often provides excellent value. Western Union, on the other hand, is one of the longest-standing players in the money transfer space. With a massive global agent network of physical locations, its biggest strength is cash pickup availability, meaning your recipient can collect money in person even without a bank account or reliable digital access. This makes it ideal for recipients in regions with limited banking infrastructure. The trade-off is that Western Union's convenience comes with higher fees and larger exchange rate markups. So, which one should you choose? If your priority is getting the most value for each dollar and your recipient has a bank account, Remitly is likely the better choice. If your recipient needs cash in hand, lives in a rural area, or prefers an in-person payout, Western Union may be the smarter option. In summary, Remitly wins on cost and digital convenience, while Western Union wins on global reach and cash pickup flexibility. Always compare the total cost, including fees and exchange rates, and consider your recipient's preferred method of receiving funds before sending. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.